First, I had to decide which plywood to use, Baltic birch or maple. Both had 13 layers and looked pretty good. Maple was absolutely flat, so I went with it. Yes, apparently US is able to make pretty good plywood, you just need to look around. Originally, I planned on it being 12 inches wide and 48 inches long with 2 runners. But I didn't get that at the end. Ew. Then came another struggle. Even with center-finding drill bit, the holes were not even. It moved on me. One of the biggest issues for me as a beginner, everything moves. Everything. I tried to line up the second runner with the first one without any luck. Eventually, I had to cut it in half with the idea that I can attach 2 of these together later. To be able to adjust rubber washers, I needed to drill 3 holes for them. That part, thankfully, was successful. Then I noticed that something was off again. After marking some lines, screwing and unscrewing screws, I figured that one of them was more off than others. That was bending the runner, and it was not going smoothly through the miter slot. Then it was time to make a dovetail channel for the clamp that I had. Measured everything very carefully because I only had one try with this. For now, my tapering jig will have only one channel. I honestly don't see a reason to add more for now. If I ever need to, I will. But pretty sure I can clamp everything with just one. Now the fun part. This is a clamp for a plunge saw track. But I'm cheap, so I made it work for the dovetail channel too. Just a bit of effort. Okay, it was actually a lot of effort. So I pulled out my sander and hoped for the best. That actually worked. And clamp still works with my track. I checked. This maple ply has a wonderful surface that didn't need much sanding. Who wants to sand, right? And here we go. Tapering jig with just one dovetail channel and plenty mistakes.